What up, going YouTube? It's your boy Tropical with another banger video, man, for y'all boys, man. And so look, man, you see today's video, man. What I'm going to be doing something specifically different, something in the same category, you know, of shoes and of this channel. You can say summer/spring, my shoe collection. I got some heat. I got some stuff behind. I'm not gonna show y'all too much, but I got some heat. But you feel me? I've been recollecting my, collections. But this is going to be some summer/spring shoe collection. We'll dive deep into my shoes, what I got right now. I'll be flipping shoes, I'll be selling shoes, I need to clean my shoes if anything. But other than that, I just wanted to show y'all a little shoe collection what I got for the summer of right now. I probably indeed might do another one sometime later on this year, who knows. But this is my first shoe collection. Other than that, man, I'm gonna just let the shoes do the talking. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Tropical, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the video, man. Let's go. I indeed got some Mason Miharas. These shoes are, I guess you could say, hype beast / hype beast shoes. Everybody want these shoes for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I let the shoe speak for itself. You feel me? It look fire. It look fire. Oh shoot, I'm dropping it already. It how the box indeed came in looking like. I like how the box looks so plain and simple. Nothing too much crazy. Just show some Chinese later on the bottom too, but it shows Mason Mihara Yashiro. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Yeah, this is it. Came in it came in like with some the other stuff, but it really had some lines and details, all that good stuff. If you want to watch that video, I didn't do a unboxing / delivery special pickup with these shoes. These were the shoes I caught, and these are my most expensive shoes. I'm not gonna lie. I like them. I like how the way they look. And they feel good on feet. They're really comfortable, and they're kind of light. So if you want to see them, I try them on feet and all that good stuff. Go tune into that video, man. Yeah, man. These are my Mason Miharas. Original price, I'll say they go for like what, 300, almost close to 4, you can say. But there is expensive, I'll say. I paid a good price. Like I said, I paid 400 for these, and this is I'll never ever pay for a shoe that's more than 400. For 500, man, just know I gotta make that money back. So watch the video, watch all the ads, like the video, and tune in. But other than that, these are the Mason Miharas. And yeah, man, see the insole of them. These look really nice in person, like in general. So if you want these or want a pair, I'll say you have to pay a good price, but I actually pay for what I like, and this is actually what I like. So yeah, man, on to the next shoe, number 2. These are the first one, Mason Miharas. Alright, so for the second pair of shoes, I got some indeed Balenciagas. I'm not even gonna flag, I'm not gonna lie with y'all. These shoes right here, these Balenciagas, they're heavy. They're really heavy in person, but these are my first designer shoes I caught. My very first ones. I did do a video on them too also. Go tune into them if you want to see them on foot and all that good stuff. I'm not doing no try-ons on foot. I did separate videos on them, so go tune into that. I'll say this is my second favorite shoe. It looks nice. The colorway itself just look nice. Like in person it may not look good, but like looking at it on shoe, it look fire. Like on feet it look fire. It's like a grayish metallic colorway, and it lights up too. Like when you take a flash picture, it lights up. Like you get what I'm saying, when you take a flash picture, like some of the gray stuff lights up in the back. These are the Balenciaga track ones, indeed too. Got them on eBay for like a good price for like 3. I'm not too sure. I think I paid $360. Or like close to $290. Well, I'm not too sure, but I actually buy stuff that I like, so I'm not too sure what the price is. But yeah, enough of the pricing. The shoe itself, I got them in a size 9, size 42, as you can see. I got them in a size 42, so they're gonna fit good. Yeah, I got them in a size 9. They come with the 2 double laces, as you can see. There's 2 laces on them. It's not just 1, but 2 on them. 2 on them motherfucking Jones, and the way how these Balenciagas are built, they just step right, feels good, and it just feels better on feet. I would say between these and the track Balenciaga 2s, I like the track 2s like better. Track 1s, they look fire. And the track 2s, they just got more physique to it, all that good stuff. I wish I had these in all black, but yeah, I could wear all black with this, some gray jeans. I could wear this even with shorts. I took some pictures on my Instagram. If you want to see that, the link will be in the description. So go follow me on Instagram, go tune in. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm either on there or somewhere doing something, working still. But other than that, man, these are the Balenciaga's track ones. Track one Balenciagas. Nothing too crazy you can say about this. I really mess with these just the way how they look. And yeah, it speaks for itself. Feel me? I do indeed need to clean them. I want them like 1-2 times, and I got them dirty and stuff. But yeah, these are Balenciaga's track ones, man. And let's go on to the shoe 3. I think yeah, shoe 3. All right, man. So I indeed with the third shoe I have, and these are the Prada Cloudbusters. They call it Prada Cloud Thunderbuster or something like that. But got these on eBay also too. I got this for a good amount of steel. I'm not even gonna lie. I think I got this for like almost close to 280, 300. But the thing is, I'm gonna indeed ship them back off because they're kind of small. They're like in the size 8, and like I'm size 9, and they're really hurting my toe like all around up here. And like, you know, I think the seller when he sold it to me, I should never bought them, but it's kind of like messed up on the bottom toe of the heel. I'm not sure if you can see. Like right on the heel, got glue on all over it on them. You can see a little glue. The glue residue all over here. You can see, I'm not sure. As you can see all the glue residue and all that stuff in the back. I don't know. But yeah, he really messed me up when he sold this to me, and the packaging it was kind of like ripped off, kind of messed up. You can see on the toe right here, the toe part was kind of like about to lift up too. But yeah, I'm gonna just indeed ship these back and get my money back. But these were my, I would say, third best shoe. They fit right. Well, no, they do not fit right. Let me not lie. They fit okay. I wish I got them in a bigger size. And yeah, they look really good. They look fire. I got them for a good amount of steals, but I'm gonna just end up shipping it back and get my money, because I'm not trying to do all that reselling and then nah, I need my money back. I like stuff what I pay for, and this is what I really like. These really look really good in person. Other than that, let's move on with the shoe number 4. Other than that, this is the 4th shoe I indeed have. It's called the Calmer Desk Garçon, you know, high top version. I got these a while back ago. I got them. I also tried these on, like, you know, on the foot. And it'll be somewhere like, you know, on my try on hoodie or my shirt collection. Yeah, I have these on. I have some a matching shirt that matches with this. That's the only reason why I bought it, because I had the shirt and I seen these that was hard and I bought them. I need to take a better picture with these and all that stuff. But yeah, man, I got them in a size I think 9, not too sure. This is size 8 actually. I got these in the size 8. I got these motherfuckers in the size 8. They're kind of not really beat up. Well, they are, but I just really need to clean them. The colorway on them is like kind of like a cream. I'm trying to pick up the light. Alright, the color is like kind of cream colorway. It's not white, but I just need to really clean up all over them. It got like some scuffs right here. I barely wear these. Some of the shoes I have right here, I barely wear them. I don't really wear shoes like, I don't wear shoes like that unless my main ones. Like my favorite ones. But these, I wear them on you can wear them on a good day. You can wear them with black skinny jeans, gray skinny jeans, you know, cargos, anything really that matches. But no, I just, the polka dot one itself just pick up attraction. They remind me of kind of Rick Owens just because the way how they built, and they're built and how they low-key used up. But I like dirty shoes, I like dirty, you can say dirty shoes a little bit. Like these are low-key dirty but not too dirty, you can say, but they still wearable. Like you won't really tell if it's dirty or not. But it's a hard fit with this, you know. Yeah, these are the CDGs Calmer Desk Garçons. And yeah, man, hey, just speak to itself. I'll move on with the shoe number 5. So I indeed got these Nike Air Forces, Lunar Air Forces. I do know the name, Lunar Air Forces low ones. These how they originally look like when they came in when I got them. You know, these were the laces I have on them. It came with the little metal strap, the little Nike Air metal strap. You do see the little man with the spaceman with the ray gun right here. You see with the ray gun right here. These shoes are hard. The back of it shows Nike. It's like a pink and black and spaceship color. I'm not sure if you can really see, but it got like these blue dots all over them. And the shoe itself just pick up attraction when you take a picture. It flashes. these flashes, like an Area 51 type shoe, you can say. And I also just added orange laces too that matches with it. You know, from far away they match it, but you know, it really picks up good. I really like them. No orange. I put it on the laces because it matches the little tongue part all over here. But nothing too crazy. These shoes, I flip them on with all black fit, anything. I just have these on just cause the shoe speak itself. I have 2 double laces on them. I got these in a size 9. I need to clean them, not too dirty. In the bottom they glow up. I need to icy the bottom. I have the tool for it, but they do still indeed glow up when they're in the sun a lot or something. If I have to put my flashlight on them right now. They won't indeed glow up. They'll glow up basically. But other than that, yeah, nothing too much to say about these shoes. I really like them. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of them because I had them for since like I was in junior year of high school, and now I'm done with school. But yeah, these are hard, and they just remind me. And I always had these when I first started my shoe collection, and I always keep them forever, just to, you know, make me be humble. I always look at these and wear these as a regular, you know, shoe. But nah, I like these shoes. It will just humble me. You know, every time I buy shoes, this is where I started, where I came from, and you know, I can bust any fit, anything, really much with these and any shoes I buy. But other than that, let's move on to the picture number 6, shoe 6. I do indeed need to put some pictures, flick some pictures with these, so that will be in the link in my description on Instagram. Follow me and go tune into that. Alright, so my 6th shoe I got is some Jordans, some retro Jordans. These are some custom Jordans. They were originally the I think they were the Navy 5s. Yeah, Navy 5. As you can see, got the baby blue right here. It got the tongue itself that lights up, that glows up. This shoe at first was like a dark blue colorway. I'm not sure if that's the name of the shoe, but it was like Navy 5. It was dark blue and it was baby blue. But I guess I bought them on eBay a while back ago, and the person, he customized it, and I got them for a good steal, a good price. I think it was $150. These how they originally looked. They came in like this by itself. They came in like this. But yeah, the shoe indeed, it came like this itself. I wish it had like a little lock, the shoe lock, because it would make it look way harder, way fire, way better with the little gel lock. But it didn't. I probably might order some. I just really need to bust a fit with this one, and I'm gonna have this for a long time because this one was also another shoe I bought that started my shoe collection. I just like stuff that's different, that pops up. And then I indeed just put the other shoelaces on there. I don't know if it matches or not, but you can see it yourself. The pink laces. They got this honeycomb texture. You can see. They got like a honeycomb. Yeah, this other shoe just looked itself. It look fire. It shows the person designed somewhere on the shoe. It shows right here his signature. So shout out to you if you're watching the video and you made the shoe. You feel me? I'm one of your supporters that got the shoe now, but I'm never gonna really release these off my hand. I think these are fire, and yeah, man. Other than that, man, shoe speak itself. These are the retro 5s. I'll say navy blue, but these are the tropical 5s. I call these the tropical 5s. I got the tropical 5s right here in my hand. But other than that, man, let's tune into the next shoe, the 7. Alright, so the next shoe I got is these 6s. These are called the Gatorade 6s, and I got them in the green colorway. These are money. These are money right here, and they look like money basically, as you can see. The bottom, I need to get them icy again. I got the tool. I barely worn these. That's the funny thing. Like, these are barely worn. I don't got no scuffs all on the bottom or nothing. Alright, they look in good condition. Just the bottom that's yellow. I don't know if it's because I didn't wear it over time and they just collected dust, but you can see it's kind of white still on the side. But yeah, these are called the Gatorade 6s. They have like a cool texture. It's like a suede colorway, as you can see. So if I were to rub my hands, you can see like the different colors. But yeah, I want to get rid of these, but I don't know. Thinking about it, they look nice when I pick it up. I got them in size 8, so they'll fit. Got the lace lock all on them. And the back shows if I could be. The tongue shows this, if I could be. This is indeed really hard, you know. Not too much to say about these. They don't have an insole, but I would indeed put one in here. They fit better without the insole, but like I said, it's straight. This is like actual 8.5. But I like them because the colorway and has a solid color. They indeed have like another kind of these. It's called the Gatorade 6s, but the white one. But I got them in the green colorway, and then I got this matching shirt that matches with it. And I think I got these for a cheap price. The original price is like $400 or $500, but then I got them for like $200. I think I got it for cheap. So basically, yeah, these are the Gatorade 6s, and I'm gonna probably end up keeping these for a good while, just cause how the way they look. These are called the Gatorade 6s. Alright, YouTube, and so my last shoe, I got black toe Jordans. As you can see, these are called the black toe Jordans. I like the colorway of them. They're like white, and everybody really wanted these. Not only because they wanted them, but I like them because of the colorway, and they, you know, can match up anything. You can wear all black, and then these will speak itself. You can wear gray jeans, anything much. Right, here's how the back look. They're kind of like, I really need to clean them. I got this colorway, the black, white and black one, and I do indeed got the black Ferraris, which is at my brother's house. And I got these Columbia 4s, which I'm missing, but I will probably indeed bring them in the next video. But this is my last Jordan shoe. I got them in a size 9, so they fit perfectly my size. They fit true to its size. And yeah, man, I think these are the OG 2s. They got the fur all on them still. I'm pretty sure these are OGs. So yeah, just some black toe Jordans. I'm probably gonna end up keeping these shoes also too. I'm not gonna throw these, tossing out. Probably the most thing I might do with these shoes is trade them in and get a better shoe. And I will show y'all in the next sneaker shoe collection I have. But yeah, man, OG price of these are like good $200-300 now, going worth. I really need to fix them up. But yeah, they look hard like this. It's lace. I don't gotta do too much, but yeah. These are called the black toe Jordans, retro 14s. And this is my last indeed shoe, my 8th shoe. Like I said, I have more at my brother's house, but I don't have them for this video. If you guys like this video, this is something else. I don't do videos like this, you know, show all my stuff what I have. But you know, this is content for you guys, and you know, next time I'll do another video. Hopefully, again, if you guys like it, I will come with better indeed pieces and stuff. But yeah, man, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here, man. Let me know what y'all favorite shoe or something I like, what y'all want to have in y'all collection, what y'all dream shoe, man. And other than that, bro, it's your boy Shelovetrapical, aka Tropical, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.